Hey everybody, I'm the Bento Buster and today we are making a very healthy rice bowl, so please check it out. Let's get started. Now a donburi is a bowl, but it also refers to a bowl of cooked rice with food served on top. Today we'll be making a dish called Shirasu Don, which basically means whitebait rice bowl. This dish is incredibly simple to prepare. First, fill the bowl with your rice. Next, add some sliced egg. This is called KINSHI TAMAGO. You can make it yourself, but it's much easier if you get the packet. If you're lucky, you might find today's ingredients in the Japanese section of your local supermarket. This is MEKABU. It is a flowering part of the wakame seaweed found just above the root. It's a briny, yet mildly sweet seaweed with a slimy texture and is classified as one of Japan's neba-neba foods. It is extremely healthy, and the texture and flavor really add to this dish. Next, add the IKVA salmon roe. They are creamy and an incredible source of omega-3 fatty acids and just full of vitamin D. This is shirasu, or whitebait. They are juvenile sardines, the main player in this dish, hence the name Shirasu Donburi. Shirasu is eaten in a variety of ways in Japan, such as boiled, dried and raw with soy sauce. Today we're having boiled, straight from the pack. Top it off with some spring onions or shallots. I want to add a complex umami flavor to this dish, so I'm going to be using tsuyu. I'm going to dilute it with some water and serve it with this raw egg. And there we have it, in no time at all, a Shirasu Donburi. Now there's just one thing left to do. We need to add that egg and the tsuyu to the bowl. And there it is, ready to eat. Take your chopsticks and give it a good mix. You want to blend all the ingredients together. Then dig in. The texture and the flavors are truly something to be savored. Enjoy. I am the Bento Buster and thank you for watching. I really hope that you try this recipe. See you next time.